I don't talk like that. But anyway, I want to do this review on the Corsair HS 70 Pro wireless headset. It comes really nice package, very nice package. It's got your quick start and your warranty and your huge instructions, and it is pretty detailed. It comes with your charging cable, and your boom microphone with a pop filter on it. And on the left side of this, I don't know if you can see it, I will try to add a little bit of light. It has your volume. Right below that is a mute button, and below that is your charging port, and right below that is for your microphone, if you use one. I don't use one, but I thought it was impressive, because if you look, you can't mess it up. Anyway, it was very well packaged. Now then, my son, he's the one who talked me into getting this, because he has the Void RGB Elite from Corsair, but he stated that the headset kept falling off of him, and that's what that looks like. You know, I guess if you're a gamer, it's pretty important to keep your headset on. As far as the one I got, you can adjust the headset also. I think you can adjust the headset on the other one too. He probably just didn't have it tight enough. Anyway, it comes with a charging cable, wireless USB transmitter, wireless sync LED indicator, which you'll find on the left side also, a pairing button transmitter paired by default, detachable microphone boom, charging port, and your LED status. If it's charging, it'll be an amber color, and if it's a solid green, it's fully charged. And your mute button, your headband adjustment, and so forth. Anyway, I wanted to show something. The USB transmitter is up here on one of my microphone booms. And there's a reason for this. Because I have 2 or 3 other wireless headsets and they don't work. They're not by Corsair, they're a few years old, and where you had to actually tune everything in to make it work and so forth. Okay, and this headset stated that it would reach 40 feet, and I got it and it didn't reach 40 feet, so I was like, okay. And I could show you right now. If you can see the dot back there, that's back by my right by my bedroom. And it is exactly, I don't know if you can see this. Let me turn this light out and see. Maybe. Anyway, it's 24.08 feet. And it was not reaching back there. And my computer is over here. So I started thinking, I says, I'm about ready to send it back. But then I started thinking, I says, that 40 feet, it says maximum transmission is 40 feet. Then I started thinking about it from my computer. I'm like, okay. I mean, we're looking, there's something blocking. You think about it, and what it is, it's your handy dandy hot water tank. No, it will not transmit through a hot water tank. So I just took a Velcro tie and an extension, a USB extension cable, and ran it from my computer behind my desk all the way up, and I stuck it on the USB boom, a USB microphone boom, and guess what? It works perfect. So don't give up on it if you can't get it to work for some reason and it won't transmit that far. Try getting an extension cable, USB extension cable, and putting the transmitter where it has line of sight. And yes, I know this line of sight came from when I was in the military, because we used to work with certain things, sensors and stuff, and they would transmit 50 miles line of sight, and sometimes, we had enough relays we could monitor China. So I started thinking, line of sight, okay, and I've got all kinds of cables, so I hooked it up, and it works perfect. Okay, maybe this gives some insight into this headset, and one of the reasons I got it, another reason I got it, outside of my son stating that, he had one and he liked it, but it kept falling off his head, was simply because I probably spent $80 in the last 5-10 years just on cables hooking up to the headsets that I did have. And because it's inevitable that they're going to get hung on something, because I walk around with the headset all the time listening to music so I don't disturb the neighbors. Just wait till I get my drums. Don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but anyway, I walked around, and it's inevitable that it's going to get hung, and it's going to bend that the male pin that goes into the socket, and then you have to buy a whole new one, and that's like $25. You can get a real cheap one, but I tried to get the good ones so that they would last, and now I don't have that problem at all, because this actually works and it sounds really good. You can set the it also has a, what do you call it, what's it called, it's got an equalizer, and it'll work on Windows 7, 8.1, Windows 10 or later, and it also works with IQ software. That's where you get your equalizer and adjust microphone input, set 7.1, surround sound on and off, Yes, I am impressed. I'm really impressed. So if this helped you out and you learned something, give me a thumbs up. And if you got a comment, leave it below. But I just wanted everyone to know how I feel about this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.